the protocol observed. This Al-Adala Academy Grade 4 and 5 academic pioneers, ready to present you a poem and a title.
Discipline is the key to success.
Sit back, relax and enjoy. Welcome.
Discipline, an 8-lettered word, the key to success, meaning the only key to success. Without discipline, success is in limbo. Success is not a thing that falls from the sky. Success is not a thing stung by a fly. Nor is it a mere stroke of luck, like danger in the dark, but takes more than just a desire to win, with moment of triumph and a moment of frowns. As we wind up this poem, as our school motto says, achieving excellence together with self-discipline as our friends, we shall go places. Thank you.
MashaAllah. Makofi tafadhali. MashaAllah.